In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SEO your WordPress website. If you're looking to boost your site's visibility in search engines and attract more visitors, these steps will guide you on the right path. First and foremost, it's essential to choose a reliable SEO plugin that suits your needs. WordPress offers a variety of options, but some stand out for their comprehensive features and ease of use. Among the top choices are Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and All-in-One SEO. For beginners, Yoast SEO is highly recommended due to its user-friendly interface and effective optimization capabilities. Nevertheless, Rank Math and All-in-One SEO are also excellent alternatives that offer unique features tailored to various user experiences. Once you've chosen your preferred plugin, the next step is to install and activate it on your WordPress website. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, look for the Plugins option on the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the Plugins page. Here, select Add New to proceed to the Plugins repository where you can find countless plugins available for your site. In the search bar, simply type the name of the plugin you've chosen. Let's say you opted for Yoast SEO. Type that into the search bar and press Enter. The plugin should appear as one of the search results. When you find it, hover over the plugin and click on the Install Now button. This will start the installation process, which typically takes just a few moments. After the installation is complete, you will notice that the Install Now button has changed to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your website. This step is crucial as it allows the plugin to start functioning and optimizing your site to meet SEO standards. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the new SEO plugin features available in your WordPress dashboard. Most SEO plugins, like Yoast SEO, will add a new menu item to your dashboard sidebar, making it easy for you to access and configure different settings to match your SEO goals. Consider exploring these features to understand how you can leverage them to enhance your site's performance. Additionally, many plugins provide a setup wizard that guides you through the initial configuration process. This tool is incredibly beneficial for beginners as it helps ensure you don't overlook any important settings that might impact your site's search engine optimization. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides toward optimizing your WordPress website for search engines. Remember, successful SEO isn't just about setting up a plugin. It's also about continually producing valuable content, monitoring performance, and adjusting your strategies as necessary. Stay consistent with your efforts, and over time, you'll likely see improvements in your site's search engine rankings and an increase in traffic.